Now, ow! Keep getting splinters on my ass. Ow. Hi guys, it's Ruby Patchouli. I'm back with another video. And in this video, you can see that I am not in my home. I am actually in Big Bear camping for a few days, but I am in need of a wash and I have to style my hair. So just because I'm camping, that's not going to stop me from taking care of my hair. My scalp is very itchy, so I definitely need to wash it today. It's been a long time, probably been 8 days, so I'm in need for a wash. Thankfully, I did think this one through. I bought a water bag which comes with a hose and allows me to wash my hair, take a shower, wash my dishes while I'm camping. So for today's wash day, I'm going to be using Olaplex number 4 and number 5. I'm gonna keep it very simple because I am out camping, and I'm just gonna do one shampoo and a conditioner, and that's it. I'm starting off using Olaplex number 4 Bond Maintenance Shampoo, and I'm making sure I'm placing this only on my scalp. After I place it on my scalp, I'm giving myself a quick little scalp massage just to loosen whatever dirt and debris might be stuck on my scalp. When it comes to shampoo, you don't have to put it on your hair shaft because as the water is running down, the rest of your hair will definitely get the benefit of the shampoo. Oh my gosh, it took a while to rinse out the shampoo. This is a bit wasteful when it comes to water usage, so I won't be doing this all the time, but it's nice to know that if you really need to wash your hair, you can wash your hair. The water bag / pump that I have, it holds up to 20 liters of water, which is a pretty good amount. So now let me put my conditioner on. So the conditioner that I'll be using today is Olaplex number 5 Bond Maintenance Conditioner. I just have to leave this on for 3 minutes and then I can rinse off, which is perfect. So with conditioner, you just want to start on your ends and then work your way up. You don't really need to put conditioners on your scalp unless the bottle states to do that. So today's products, I have my leave-in conditioner in here. The leave-in conditioner that I'm using is a TGIN leave-in reconstructive leave-in conditioner. I think that's the name. I'll link it down below. So because I am in the woods and I want my wash day to last, I'm going to be cocktailing my products. I'm going to be using the Flawless Pattern Perfecting Pudding as my cream, and then as my hold step, I'm going to be using the Botanika Beauty, the Enhancer Mousse. And I should get pretty good results with this. I will be airbrushing today. Air drying today, of course, because I do not have a diffuser, but it's okay. We're gonna make do. We're gonna have flawless hair at the end of this video if you are camping and you are a curly girl like I am. One more minute till I cry and I beg for you to. So it's been 3 minutes and we're gonna take the conditioner off. Whew. Okay, we're done with washing our hair. So we are gonna be styling with damp hair. Well, we are going to be styling on damp hair because I'm not about to style my hair on dripping wet hair and have my air dry time be astronomically high. I want to dry my hair as quickly as possible, and the towel is going to help me do that. Just putting water in my bottle with my leave-in conditioner. We're going to spray this sucker in my hair. we're gonna apply the cream. Now this is a very low maintenance curly hair routine, so I'm just gonna apply it. Okay, so now I have my pick, which is perfect because this is gonna help me style my hair. So I'm gonna turn my head down and just brush my pick through my hair to create separation. So the back of my hair, I put this through and then I pass it through. Same with the other one. Go to the, put the pick in the back of my hair and then push it through. And then the top. Now, ow! Keep getting splinters on my ass. Ow. And now I'm gonna apply the mousse. I hope that my hair products don't attract mosquitoes. And I'm done styling my hair. I just have to wait for it to air dry. So quick and easy. I'm not gonna do much. I'm not gonna finger coil. I'm not going to declump my curls either, because with this technique, with using the pick, I shouldn't have a lot of clumps using the pick. So all I'm gonna do once I finish air drying, I'm going to scrunch out the cast and put my sealant oil, and that's it. I'm done. If you're going camping but you haven't washed your hair and you need to style your hair, my suggestion would be to wash your hair right before you leave your house to go camping, and then style your hair on the campsite. It's much easier to style hair. It's much easier to re-wet hair than to wash your hair at the campsite, only because it's a waste of water. Let me see. I think with washing my hair and doing my hair, I wasted 5 liters of water. So I wouldn't do this again, but it's nice to know that I have the option if need be. The reason why I want to make sure that I don't use too much water is because the campsite that we're on, we don't have any running water. So we just have the water that we came up with. I'm gonna wait for this to dry and I'll be back to show you guys the results. So I'm back dry and these are my curls. These are my results. I think they look really cute. I feel adventurous with my curls. I feel like I'm ready and they feel really healthy. Look at the volume. This was a good curly wash routine. So easy. Literally just use a brush to detangle, and then I use a pick to separate curls, and I just air dried, and this is what I got. I don't have as much volume up here, but I have a lot here, so I'm okay. I'm okay with it. If I did diffuse, I would have volume up here, but we're working with what we got. We are camping, but we still want to look cute. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you like this type of content, please leave a like. And if you like curly hair and you want to learn about curly hair, subscribe. This is Ruby Patchouli. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next week.